behind the scenes, the unseen footage from one of my favorite videos. And yes, I'm talking about the Portchester Castle vlog. If you're new to this channel, my name is Tia. I'm a stand-up comedian and content creator. So, about that place, Portchester, truly an incredible place. At the time when I tried to record the vlog, when I thought about recording the vlog, I thought because I was bored at home, I didn't know about all the history that came live in that vlog later on in the video. I was learning the history and knowing about all of it, that I was super happy in the day. Because before that I tried to research online, but not much could be found about that. If anything, this video comes out. If not, you know that this never came out and you're not watching this and this is just for me and that sort of thing. So yeah. If you're watching this, is because I found enough stuff to put it out. So yeah. Conclusion. I'm not a magician that when you're watching this, I'm still figuring out what's gonna be next. I already did the stuff. Let's be honest and realistic. This is not Schrodinger's cat. If this is alive, it's because I took advantage of footage. And there was something on the unseen footage, the footage that just never came out in the final product of the first one. So yeah. And now I found like a coast path that I'm doing. Very straight line path. And I'm trying to see where it goes. I still have a lot of time. If nothing else, it's just like a normal path that I'm taking. That then I get back. So yeah, why not? A very similar London Eye, but a more shittier version. Please don't take it wrong, I have no clue what that is. So just a joke. Please face it as a joke. I'm doing what for most people advise not to do, that is wandering in the woods alone. So yeah, why not, right? Why not? I think I just came to an end. So now just trying to find, yeah, my back. I'm just going to go in the direction of the castle again. But yeah. How to be killed, step 101. Go in the woods. Find a creepy person. Ask to be killed. Oh my god. This is fun. I'm not even sure what I'm doing at this point, but yeah. I'm just wandering around in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, I think I know where I came, so still nice to figure it out. It said South Coast, so I'm trying to come around somewhere. But yeah, still interesting content for nonetheless. Yeah. I know there is houses around here, so I wouldn't be totally lost. Because if I yelled, someone would hear me. But also, I don't think this path is going anywhere. Plus, I can try to go on the one that I was going instead of changing. But also, I don't know if that's going anywhere. So, yeah. Ended up coming back to the beginning of the track that starts in a castle without having the right tools, like the right GPS, the right stuff. I could try, but it's a little bit messy, and it might be some places in which doesn't have phone signal, so it would be just awful for me to get lost somewhere. So I was like, yeah, while I still know where I am, let's get back to the castle. And yeah, but still it was fun to do this small walk, small track. So yeah, getting back to where I started this trail. The castle, the king of the castle, hey! Interesting that I don't have the right tools. If not, I would just try to go on foot to Portsmouth, because that track would go to Portsmouth. Not sure how and where, but yeah, it's there, so